Can you tell us your story?
Okay, my story started back in 2016 when I got an on-the-job injury. I was looking for a good primary care doctor that dealt with the spine. I was referred to by a colleague of mine that works with me in the Bahamas military. He also came to see Dr. Novanek here. He referred me here. My first visit was, like I said, in 2016. Yeah, and that's how I found Dr. Novanek.
Okay. And prior to your surgery, how did you feel?
Well, back in 2016, I had a C4-5 and 5-6 fusion that was done. Unfortunately, that did not work. I came back over in, I think it was May of this year, to ask Dr. Novanek, what can I do to help alleviate the chronic pain that I was still having? And he recommended I do a MRI so we can go ahead and see where to move from that area. Where do we go from there? And he found that, okay, it seems as though I may need a C6, C7 total disc replacement. Okay. So of course, he's the specialist. I went along with what he suggested, and that's what we do. That's what I end up doing.
And when did you have the surgery?
I just had the surgery done in November 14th of this year, which was like a few days ago.
A few days ago. So
yes.
We're talking about what?
3 days?
3 days ago,
yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 3 days ago you had surgery. How do you feel now?
I feel totally, I won't say complete, but I feel as though I'm on my way to a successful recovery. The pain has left. I have no pain.
Great.
I used to have like chronic, consistent back pains in the nighttime. The base of my neck was always consistently hurting. But when I woke up after surgery, I found out that all of that went away. I feel completely renewed, refreshed.
So happy to hear that.
Yes, I feel as though he worked a miracle.
So would you say Dr. Novanek did a great job?
Yes, I would say that. I would recommend him to anybody. Not because he's my doctor, but I think that he's also a good specialist in his field of expertise, and I really appreciate a doctor that's well confident and who knows exactly what it is that he's doing.
So glad you're feeling better.
Yes, I will totally recommend him to everybody in the Bahamas.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Director.